Welcome back to Wandering. Today, we will explore one of the most wonderful destinations in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, Lauderdale Beach. With its long stretch of soft white sand and crystal clear blue waters, Lauderdale Beach is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunshine. Along the shore, you will find many cafes and restaurants serving fresh seafood, as well as exciting water sports activities. Lauderdale Beach, located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, is known for its pleasant tropical climate all year round. There are two main seasons: warm summers with temperatures typically ranging from 24 to 32 degrees Celsius and cooler, more pleasant winters, with average temperatures ranging from 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. Thanks to its proximity to the ocean, the climate in Lauderdale Beach is very pleasant and has little major fluctuations, creating ideal conditions for outdoor activities and relaxing by the beach. Lauderdale Beach attracts visitors not only by its wonderful natural beauty, but also by its relaxing and comfortable atmosphere. The long beach with fine white sand and crystal clear blue water creates a beautiful natural setting, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the sunshine. Girls in bikinis lie on the sand, sunbathing and enjoying the fresh air, contributing to highlighting the natural beauty of the beach. This image not only shows relaxation and freedom, but also blends with the natural landscape to create a beautiful picture. The marine vegetation here is characterized by seaweed and seagrass, which play an important role in maintaining the ecological balance of the area. The lush green fields of seagrass underwater provide habitat and food for many marine species, from small fish to invertebrates. Seaweed, with its diverse colors and shapes, not only creates an attractive underwater landscape but also contributes to improving the quality of seawater by absorbing carbon dioxide and providing oxygen. The Lauderdale Beach area attracts visitors not only with its natural beauty, but also with the abundance of surrounding cafes and restaurants. One of the outstanding cafes, where you can enjoy delicious espresso in a comfortable space with a beautiful view of the sea. The shop is famous for its fresh pastries and a relaxing atmosphere, ideal for a gentle morning. Beach tourism plays a vital role in the U.S. economy, especially in coastal states like Florida, California, and Hawaii. With millions of visitors each year, beaches not only attract a huge number of tourists but also create millions of jobs in the service industry, including hotels, restaurants, and entertainment activities. In addition, the beach tourism industry also contributes to promoting infrastructure development and improving the quality of life of local residents. Thank you for joining the Wandering Channel on the journey to discover beautiful and diverse beaches around the world. If you love exciting trips and want to continue following other attractive destinations, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Thank you very much and see you in the upcoming adventures.